Yo, what's good YouTube fam? It's your boy Joe Fit Johnson back at it again, bringing out some fire content. So today we're gonna keep it short, sweet, quick, easy. We're making a smoothie. This is my go-to recipe for smoothies. You can do this. This is plant-based, but you can use whey protein if you like. But yeah, this is like my base foundation, quick on-the-go protein smoothie. So yeah, give it a shot. So we're gonna go almond milk or flax milk. I like flax milk because it's higher in protein, and it's very clean. And then I use hemp protein or pea protein. So I use hemp protein or pea protein, right? Just single ingredient organic protein, because that's what I rock with. And we're gonna do bananas, strawberries, peanut butter, cinnamon, dates, honey, lion's mane, and ashwagandha. Optional. All right. So we're gonna get blended. So typically I use like a cup. Usually like a cup of milk, but I also eye depending on texture, right? So if you want it to be more thin, a little more loose, then you're going to use more milk. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, more on like that thick smoothie shake type, then you're going to use less milk, more ice, right? And then I have these jumbo cubes of ice, which I don't really recommend for smoothies, but it's all I got right now, and they still work. So I usually do 2 to 3 of these. So we're going to do, I like to do 2 bananas. Extra calories, extra potassium, extra carbs. Let's go. I personally recommend doing fresh berries in my smoothies because it tastes a lot better. It doesn't have like that stale frozen taste, and it has just more flavor in general. So that's my thing. Berries, put that in there. I typically would use sea moss, but my sea moss is low-key old right now, but definitely make sure that you have sea moss. I've let it go old. It has a bit of mold on it, so I'm not gonna use it. I know, sucks. I love peanut butter, so I do like 1 nice heaping tablespoon, maybe even 2. I really love it. Hey, this shit right here, bussin'. Now it's fire and it's quick. So foundations, banana, strawberry, peanut butter, cinnamon, honey, your protein, bang it out. If you want to get fancy, ashwagandha, lion's mane, sea moss. Well, sea moss always as well. You might as well add it in if you're gonna do it. But if you want to get fancy, I'll even add some oatmeal. Oats will help extra calories if you're looking to gain weight, gain muscle. Yeah, so. Bussin'.